RMD is in the building. Come on now, celebrate a legend. RMD has been doing movie for over 3 decades. 4 decades. No Lambo. You know what it meant? They promised girls for hotel. One guy don't promise girl long life and prosperity just to come.
Go see man, go they ask girl, mumu question, do you squirt? You want fashion? You go see some girls, they cry while having sex. No be like say the guy too sweet. No, the penis they hit the ulcer.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Good evening. Good evening. If you're coming in, please kindly sit down, please. Thank you. I don't care how much you have. Please kindly sit. If you have not bought Lambo.
The saucy girls.
Hold on. It's okay. It's okay. There are a lot of big men here that would love you to play for their children's birthday, but you lost the job. You just lost the job. Nayash, you want to play your children's birthday? Good evening, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome. How are you, sir? So, you know that you bought a table for this show. You have every right to come late. I promise you. You have every right. But why? Why, sir? You have money, but you don't have talent. You should be coming in. No, sir. Don't get me wrong. Money is also a talent. Do you understand me? But why did you just choose to come? IKI leads. That's what it says on your name. Table IKI leads. You should lead by example. Next time, go early to show. Sir, as you come late, what did you do for house? Today and Sunday, you know they do anything for house. Just say, oh, I'm a big man. I cannot show up early enough. Let me just show up late. Look at that. Past 9. You should be ashamed of yourself, sir. I'm just joking, the person where the chief already look at, all right, okay, no problem. We have seen where we target his leg. You just shoot 2. Now this guy very even back me now. Bro, how would you enjoy this show now? You be like who they squeeze, say you follow them. You be like who know the plan. Driver, you go to say the guy don't get money, carry power bank control. And you need power bank though. That's a fellow poor girl. Esprit de corps. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. My name is Phronesis. I'm not supposed to clap, ideally. Yeah. But pride won't let you. Who is the guy? So much confidence, talking to a billionaire like that. So sorry about everything, but it's just how the country is. Came in late, you have money. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, a true legend in the building, Richard Moffett Damager. Please put your hands together. RMD is in the building. Come on now, celebrate a legend. And also the man that's been doing comedy for the longest of time. Very good in the comedy business. Please, ladies and gentlemen, A.Y. Mako in the building. Round of applause. Round of applause. These are legends. I'm not clap for like that. Casually. Nasada board. Okay, no problem. RMD has been doing movie for over 3 decades. 4 decades. No Lambo. One girl just wake up. But me, I believe the girl, born as supposed to give an alarm. I promise him. In my line of work, I sleep in different hotels. You know what it meant? They promise girls for hotel. One guy don't promise girl long life and prosperity just to come. I don't even know what they happen. You don't rough. Lambo. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, sorry, pardon me, Julius Ago in the building as well. Please, round of applause. And also a legend in Nollywood. Good evening, sir. Please let me tap this guy that's discussing. Hello, billionaire, number 9. Lala. Please. It's a comedy show now, not a village meeting, yeah? Okay? You're discussing with... Well, how are you? That's the rich guy on the table, yeah, right? Yeah. How are you? Rich man. Wow. I hate rich people. They are so proud. Well done, Oga. Good evening, sir. How are you? But you came in early. You came in early, so we have a gift for you. Do you like cake? Now, madam, we'll talk after. I know what you like. You just smile. You can answer question by 2. What do you want to take? So, ladies and gentlemen, let me put I have a show May 1st. That's what I came to announce. May 1st in this same venue. Please kindly support me. I've been doing comedy for 15 years. Nothing to write home about. Nothing. It's just no Lambo. Yeah, that guy don't promise get tired. Keke, never buy you. So sorry. Lovely shades. I like your shades. Well done. It's expensive. It looks expensive. Yeah. Yeah. And also, ladies and gentlemen, my chairman in the building. Please a round of applause for Nevada Bridge TV. Round of applause for Mr. Neville. Sajere Mona Klaparamo. Yeah, these are people that have sponsored youth. Thank you so much for all you do for the community. God bless you, sir. Thank you so much. But sir, you owe me. Yeah, not only for Mike, I take collect and you owe me. This May 1st, we're going to do it together, okay? Yeah. Because I know if I come off, you say, okay, come in tomorrow, come in. And ladies and gentlemen, Nidu's management is also here. Yeah. So in case you want to beat somebody that holds your secret, please Avalon Okwe, talking drums in the building. Mona Kaparam, yeah. Yeah, true, Nidu. Yeah. Well done, Chief. I just say people don't know. I just want to make I cast you so that you don't go house in peace.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Jesus, I don't get fans like this. I don't stop comedy. I go open only fan. How much comedy they pay me now? Seriously, I want to stop this work. I want to do my dream job. I want the art form. After performance, how much they want pay me? M.O.P. go begin advise me. Shaka Shaka hard work brought you here from Shengotedo. Hard work na boat driver. But comedy, porn is not like that. Once you add porn for audition, whether they accept you or not, once you come, you're good to go. Na life. Baba, enjoy yourself. Nothing in this life. Mobile dying, Papa and Claude go do interview. Now this life you want suffer. Any money when I get now, go squander around. Nothing want tell me for Nigeria. If you like spend your money wisely, go still finish. If you wise pass this economy, now small man they rule us. Well, I know if you wise pass this economy. Not if now this period prodigal son do that thing, therefore kill him. Since Papa see him for gate, he go tell that senior brother to kill him. Now every day, everything they increase. See, girl, when I carry last week Sunday, 15,000. That same girl, get mine, they charge me 30,000 today. Say things don't cost. I shall they increase price for old stock. For something you don't buy anything. Baba, see, some people they take risk. If they play love play with girl, she say she go mash your neck. You still there. No be hand, no be leg, bro, neck. Why girl go no place? We supposed kill man once. Ashiyama, they talk your story. Tell person, please, this my performance is sponsored by We Listening With Us. We Listening With Us. Now why talking stage good? Use talking stage, they ask important questions. But Nigerians, we don't misunderstand the concept of talking stage. Go see man, go they ask them mumu question. Do you squirt? You want fashion? Go they ask important questions. I say, look at not fear. Look into her eyes. That's her babe. I say, girl, why you get bullet wound for shoulder? John Wick's sister. What you go to do with people who get gun? Ask, Baba. But the thing about men, we say, they once penny stand, perspective, they change. They see red flag, kuru, they romance girl for laps, you see machete scar. Instead of you to run, you say, baby, I love your bet mark. Okay. I see what you did there. But see, as a man, to get food stuff, this economy better pass big pennies. So Nigerian girls, only when they're hungry, then they're honey. They play. Now why they tell people, DJ bring am down. Any girl wey dey come visit you this period, confirm if she don't eat before you send transport to. Girl never chop, you dey send that transport to come do wetin. If na you go come. So wait, make she use empty stomach, come dey do collapse doggy with you, wey don drink go dey, she dey wait. What if she collapse? Now why some kind times you go see some girls dey cry while having sex. No be like say the guy too sweet, no. The penis dey hit the ulcer. The thing dey hit am. Wait, you think say the girl dey enjoy am? She dey enjoy am now, she dey mourn old babe because suffering. Na so dem dey mourn. Thing dey hit the ulcer. For Nigeria now, Baba, girls wey no get ulcer remain just 4. Allegedly, for them sue me.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.